in Suraj School, Mandargarh, where every child is special. Today, I am going to teach you the topic prepositions. This is one of the most important topic in English language. Without this topic, we can't frame any type of sentences. So, in order to speak fluently, in order to write the sentences, we should know prepositions. First of all, I would like to explain the definition of preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with other words in a sentence. Preposition, in other words, we can say that preposition is used before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with other words. For example, the book is on the table. The word on shows the relation between a book and the table. So we can say that a preposition shows the relationship between two things. Now, there are so many examples which proves this function. There is a cow in the garden. There is a cow. The word in is a preposition in this sentence. There is a cow in the garden. The word in shows the relation between the cow and the garden. If we do not use the word in here, then there will be no sense between cow and garden, and the sentence will be incorrect. So, to make some sense in the sentence, we have to use a preposition in here. For example, he laughs at me. The book is on the table. He goes to school. So, almost in every sentence we use preposition to show the relations. Now we are going to discuss the kinds of prepositions. Kinds means types. Types of prepositions. There are 5 types of prepositions. In other words, we can say that prepositions are of following kinds. First of all, we are going to discuss simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are in, at, in, at, with, to, of, of, from, by. These are simple prepositions. Now let us come to the second type, compound prepositions. The second type of prepositions is compound prepositions. For example, without, outside, below, between, between, belong. These are compound prepositions. Compound prepositions. For example, he went to the market without me. He was waiting for me outside the shop. There is a cat below the table. These are compound prepositions. Now come to the third type, that is double prepositions. Double. In double prepositions, we use two prepositions at one time. Double prepositions out of. The boy is out of my reach. From behind. He attacked me from behind. Without, outside, are of compound prepositions, and double prepositions are out of, from, behind, etc. Participle prepositions. Now we are going to discuss the third type, that is participle prepositions. As we know very well that we form participle by adding ing to a verb. When we add ing to a verb, then the word is participle. Accepting, regarding, considering, such words are participle prepositions. For example, considering him intelligent, I gave him this work. Next, phrasal prepositions. Phrasal prepositions are like instead of, on behalf of, due to. These are phrasal prepositions. Instead of, instead of going to the market, instead of going to the market, he went to the riverside. On behalf of, on behalf of the colony of our people, I request you to solve my problem. On behalf of, due to, he could not come to school due to an urgent work. So these are the types of prepositions. So remaining functions of prepositions we shall discuss in our next meeting. In the next meeting, we shall discuss each kind in detail and the functions of every prepositions in detail. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thanks.